Hey guys, welcome back. Today we've got a Fiat 500. The fender, the back fender, driver's side has been dented in through a minor collision, and we're going to try and use our PDR glue to pull it out. All right, we've just heated up some glue and we've attached the sticky pad over the affected area. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
All right, we're shooting. So we're going to brace this part. All right.
Okay.
So here we gotta do something else. All right, so it's 70% out, and the rest of the part we have to use a refinement tool. All right, thank you. Hey guys, we're back. This is the second day of the process. So yesterday we pulled out the big dent and kind of bowed it out, and today we're going to do some refinement pulls with these smaller tabs. Is recording? All right, so we've got a big dent here, a medium size, and then a real tiny one here. We're going to use the slide hammer to kind of knock this out if we can. That didn't work out, but you know, we're going to continue. That wasn't supposed to happen. Okay. When?
No.
Okay, so earlier we used the slide hammer to try and knock out the recess, and it was too strong. So we're going to do a more gentle approach with these tools right there. So let's try this one. Oh, we just did something. We pulled it out. Hope we didn't pull it out too far. So we're going to bring it out as much as we can, and then we're going to knock down the high spots with the mallet.